Okay, good morning sa tanan. Day 4. Insit 2024.
Participants are encouraged to take topics from the master classes at the school level to earn a certificate of recognition. A school-based session guide from the Professional Development Division of the National Educators Academy of the Philippines will be provided as long as you have completed what is required. No? Then the sessions may be conducted until January 30 led by the principal, the head teachers or master teachers in the school. Kaya-kaya po natin yan, mga ka-master classmates, ano po. So, let's get it on. Ngayon pa lang magsulat na habang nasa lecture, ano po. Why not? Makinig. Okay? So, bago natin simulan, ang talakayan ngayong umagang ito, balikan muna natin ang mga mahahalagang bahagi na nakalipas na panahon. Para naman tagal, kahapon lang naman po, no? Sa session ng masterclass kahapon, yung teacher Daisy Jane Calado, as she discussed us, the unlocking literacy, the guided reading approaches, enhancing language and reading skills for grade 4. Yesterday, we have a people reach of 132,000. Ano po, kapag ginamit, pag inipon natin lahat ng 132,000 minds na yun, ano, I'm sure we will have a very good insights from one another. And siguro ma-develop na natin yung mga different weaknesses na yung mga sinasabi natin na hindi na natin maintindihan ng 132,000 minds na yan. I'm sure lahat yan may solusyon para sa isa't isa para makilala natin ang gusto to ang ating mga learners. So yesterday we learned about the scaffold on how are we going to scaffold our learners and our leaders.
Bye guys.
Natutunan natin
Adto na mi samuang room kay magkuhan mi dito kay nyo grade 4 amo grade 1.
And allow them to reach yung kanilang target.
Bye guys, thank you for watching. Bye, God bless. So good na